Welcome back, guys. So in today's video I'm going to discuss you how to activate auto call recording, which is an inbuilt feature of Samsung mobiles. This is A31 and this is now upgraded to UI 4.1. So I will show you how to activate auto call recording, which is an inbuilt function of Samsung mobiles. I am getting feedbacks from many of users that they are not knowing how to activate auto call recording functions, and they are not able to see where these recordings are being placed. So I decided to make a video on it. Guys, this call recording is very important function. If we want to hear the important call again, or we want to tell someone that you have said this thing to me, this is very important feature. So coming to the video, friends, I would like to request you that please subscribe this channel. So now coming to the video, just we go to the settings. Now kindly note this, I'm not talking about going to this setting. We will go to the dialer one, and here which three dots is coming, just we put on that, and then setting. In this setting there is an option coming, record call. Here record call. In this we just tap it on, and here auto records call. If this is on, it will automatically record every incoming or outgoing calls, and it will place that recording in internal storage available. And we can see here in recorded calls, here if I have activated this, there recorded call will come. So notifications of the recording, if when recording will be completed, the notifications will come if this is on. So listen guys, one thing very carefully, that if this record call option is not coming in your mobile, then what you need to do, just back up your data and hard reset the phone. After hard resetting the phone, when you load your backup data, the data which you have backed up, load it, then update all the softwares update which has come. After that, this option will come and you can activate auto call recording in any Samsung mobile. So this is all what I wanted to communicate. Thank you very much.